Hey guys, Matty Watts here, and in this video, I'm going to show you my process of how I built this. This is an ergonomic shift knob, custom molded to my grip for my 1994 Watkins. This is what I'll be using to build my shift knob. On the left here we have the silicone rubber, which we will use to make the mold that the resin, which is on the right here, will be poured into. And then we have the aluminum stock for the threaded metal insert and the air hardening clay, which will be used to create the mold of my grip. Here we also see the mica powder, which will be used to add the color into the resin. With all the materials gathered, let's get right into it and start by making the mold of my grip. And once I had my grip molded, it was time to set it aside, grab the aluminum, and head on into the shop. Here at the machine shop, I will be on the lathes, turning my threaded metal inserts and 4 pins that will be used to help secure the resin onto the insert. With the insert and the pins done, I headed back to the parking lot to test my part to make sure it worked before I headed home. Back at home, it was time to mix the silicone. This was done in 1-to-1 parts by weight and then thoroughly mixed for about 4 to 5 minutes and then poured over the clay mold of my grip. After about 5 hours of waiting, it was time to demold the clay and get ready to pour the resin. After the clay is demolded, it is time to combine, color, and pour the resin into the mold while suspending the metal insert to make sure your threads are aligned properly. And after curing for 24 hours, all there's left to do is demold, screw it onto the shifter, and